is up, YouTube, and welcome back to episode 17 of the Chaos Daily. I had a nice relaxing day today. I hope you had a nice relaxing day. We are the weekend, right? What is it, Sunday? Yeah, Sunday. So, just doing some stuff around the house, just tidying up, getting some stuff ready, going through all my old RC gear, got the servo tester out, tested all my servos. So I have a good collection of different kinds of servos, metal gear, plastic gear, you name it, there's all sorts of servos there. But that's not all I've been doing. I've gone through all my old RC gear, I've tested all my motors, gone through, tested that EDF out of the Zephyr, checked some of the batteries that I do have left. I don't have much left. The ones I do have are a couple of 4-cell batteries, and they're a little bit puffy, but checking them with the voltage tester and stuff, they seem okay. I ran them on the motors for a little while. They didn't get warm, and there wasn't any unusual voltage drop. All the cells came down the same rate, so there wasn't like any kind of discrepancy between the cells, so they might be kind of okay, but you really shouldn't use puffy batteries, so yeah, I might have to order some new batteries. But speaking of ordering things, and I am so excited about this, today I ordered the Phenol. That's right, you heard me, the resin printer has been ordered, and it shall be arriving here in the next 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 something-ish weeks. I live in Australia, what can you do? Anyways, I'm so excited. Like, I can't even put it into words how long and hard I've been working for this moment. All the money I saved up buying Tesla stock to try and get that money to just grow itself. Anything and everything I could think of to make this happen had to happen, and it all just fell into place. And I've been in touch with the lovely people at Peopoly to make sure this is all organized properly, get the resin all organized and everything so that it all ships together and arrives together and everything goes smoothly, hopefully. So yeah, I'm so looking forward to this. And here's the but it's not a bad but, it's a good but. This means I need to now start getting ready. I need to get my wash station set up. I need to get my curing station set up. There's a whole bunch of little itty bitty things I need to start ordering now, like this big silicone mats to put the resin printer on and all the wash stations so that I don't get resin all over the place. It goes on these silicone mats and it can be cleaned up, rolled up, whatever, washed off. You name it. It's just a quality of life sort of thing. Getting all the equipment set up, gloves, filters to filter the resin after you remove it from the bath. You have to put it back in the bottle, but you need to run it through a filter to catch any polymers that have started to bind, and you don't want that clogging up inside your bottle and ruining up your whole batch of resin. So yeah, there's lots of little bits to go through, but it does mean that very soon Chaos is going to start designing and start making. And this has been a long time coming. I think the last time I 3D printed something was about 2 years ago. Yeah, year before last. So 2 years ago was the last time I printed anything, and that was the day that my Taz decided to... Yeah, so dead printer. It's still getting fixed. Still in brain surgery. But yeah, bit of a short episode for you guys today. Aside from doing hardware stuff, I've been fiddling about on Autodesk CFD. I've been learning how to use some of the rotational area functions so that I can start simulating EDFs and the fans and propellers and you name it. I've been working on that, trying to get that to work. It's difficult. Most of the tutorials and information out there on how to do this stuff is a bit long-winded, or they go into too much of the minutiae and not enough about just this is how you set up the scene, these are the best practices, start with this and you can learn from there. No, they sort of just throw everything at you all at once, and at some point when I feel comfortable with how this software works, I'm so going to make a tutorial on this, because oh my god, the number of people like me that are out there that want to be able to use powerful tools like this and can't because of a learning curve. It's just not right. I tell you, it's not right. But yeah, so that pretty much covers it. Yeah. So excited. Could you see the excitement? The excitement is just all over. I'm gonna burst a vein, a blood vessel or something. Anyways, so yeah, I've been Chaos, and as always, expect the unexpected. And I will see you guys next time. And a special thank you to all my patrons that help support the channel. If you would also like to support the channel, there's a link in the description.